Welcome back, graduates. My name is Elizabeth, and today I'm going to show you how to add a previous and next feature to your blog posts. Now, what I mean by that is on here, I'm on the blog post, and then I go into the article itself, and scrolling down, you'll recognize that you do have back to blog option, but then here is now the previous and next to the next blogs here. So scrolling down, it's going to indicate that you have the next blogs. Now, if you do have a lot of them, they'll just continue. If not, then they'll just go back to the very first one, which you'll see like this, why choose coffee, and then it will just go to the next one like so. Now, you do have the option to keep it here, just back to blog, and it will give you the back to blog section. Now, this is going to be a setting, so you can just enable on and off if you want to A/B test if it works or not for you. So there's going to be 3 files that you're going to really touch. And of course, we always give you your RTF file right here. So we're going to show you that in today's demo. We're going to add this to the to this one that we're testing out, but notice in the preview, we don't have this enabled and we don't have the setting. So in here, we have nothing right now. It's just typical. I'm in the preview state here. If you ever want to know if you're in the preview, you'll see this green button here, share preview or close preview. So let's go in and add this in this right here in this code, edit code. And what we're going to do is we're going to go and touch a couple things here. We're going to touch the main article. We're also going to go in and enable touch the language file. And then we're also going to go in and touch this section blog CSS right here. So we'll just highlight that. And those are the 3 main files that we're going to be touching at all. So the main article, we're just going to go in, and we already provided this. So all you're going to need to do is copy and paste this entire code here, and then the another file, when you get the download, it's going to give you the instructions for adding the language right here. So we'll add this in ndefault.json. And in here, this file, this handles all the translations. So you want to look for article. And once you scroll down to blog and article, we're just going to add this after the comments and make sure that there's commas. So once we save, it's going to be saved like so. And the last thing we're going to want to do is add some pretty styling with it. So we're just going to inherit Don's styling with this, and you're going to get another RTF file like this. And it's going to let you know section blog post CSS. We're going to copy and paste that entire at the very bottom here. So this is going to handle the arrow, the styling, whatever it may be, just kind of like a hamburger. The HTML is the meat, the CSS is like the tomatoes, the mayo, and then the translation is also just going to be like, I guess, the translation part of it, maybe like the lettuce or something like that, or bacon. And then the JavaScript, if there is any JavaScript, that's going to be like the main meat of it, and to make it function and work. So I guess that could be the skillet, for example. All right, so we're going into here. Let's go in and let's go into the theme customizer, and let's go into the news, the blog article itself, and then right here. So we're in the blog article, and you'll notice that there's this right now. So we're going to go into the blog post, and there's a option for a show previous next navigation. And you'll see that there is the styling bug here. So we're just going to go and fix that. It was this entire code here, and we're just going to replace it because we need that previous and next code here. So let's just go and click save, and then let's see what that looks like here. Scroll down, and now we got the awesome styling here. So you're just going to take that RTF code and just copy and paste that right there. I'm still in the previous state, and you can see it working really well with this. So that is essentially all you have to do, and then you get this preview and next feature, which it does work really well. And I think that it does help with conversions. Maybe for if you have a blog article and then you hyperlink it to your products, whatever it may be, it just helps instead of having your customers having to go back to a navigation to your blogs. They can just go previous preview and next to the next blog and just read continuous reading, and it causes less click friction. And thank you so much.